What do you see? I see. I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, blue horse. What do you see? I see the nice. What do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me.
Where's the teacher?
That's right.
Show me the teacher.
I just met her.
Wait, show me the teacher. I want to see her.
You see her?
Yeah, what's her name? Let's call her name.
Here.
What's the teacher's name?
I don't know. I don't know who it is.
Is it Miss Kathy?
No.
Is it Mommy?
No.
Is it Daddy?
No.
Is it Joey?
No.
Baby Will?
No.
Nana?
No.
Papa?
No.
Miss Teacher?
No.
Ask her what her name is.
Mommy. Dad. I just. Bethany.
Oh, okay. Bethany. All right. Well, can you get Yaya and say bye-bye?